Here's Excavator. No one actually wanted to join me on my journey in making her, but who cares? Alright, fast comparison. Here's Sig. Apparently he's kind of drunk. And here's Eon. Come on. Let's see. Here's Halloween's Shuttle. Batman's Ride. See here. Sig and Eon's Ride. Let's see. A video game reference probably none of you have heard of. The leader of the Autobots himself, which died like 30 times already. The leader of the Decepticons, which probably died half as many times. And another one, but slightly bigger. Yay.